Are you aware of the important distinctions between a registered agent and a virtual office? Understanding these differences can significantly impact your business's compliance and operations. First, let's clarify the roles of each service. A registered agent is legally required for businesses. They accept official documents and ensure state compliance. In contrast, a virtual office provides administrative support and creates a professional image without a full-time physical location. Now let's dive deeper into the registered agent's responsibilities. They receive legal documents, forward important notices, and maintain compliance records. This helps your business respond timely to legal matters and stay within the law. Next, registered agents ensure you meet legal compliance by providing a physical address for document reception during business hours. They manage legal correspondence securely, reducing the risk of missed notices. Using a commercial registered agent comes with several benefits. They ensure compliance with state laws, maintain your privacy, and manage documents efficiently. This helps you focus on managing your business with confidence. On the other hand, a virtual office offers core services like a professional business address, mail handling, and branding support. They allow you to operate without the costs of a full-time office while maintaining a polished presence. However, it's essential to note that virtual offices do not fulfill the legal role of a registered agent. Relying on a virtual office for legal matters can lead to missing critical legal notifications, risking your business's compliance. When considering your options, it's crucial to assess your compliance needs and operational requirements. If you handle legal documents, a registered agent is essential. For customer contact and mail, a virtual office can be beneficial. Price can also be a factor. Registered agent fees usually range from $100 to $300 annually, while virtual office plans start around $50 per month depending on services. To sum up, registered agents ensure legal compliance while virtual offices provide operational flexibility. Understanding their roles helps you make informed decisions for your business's needs. In closing, ensure you appoint a registered agent for legal requirements and explore virtual office services for operational benefits. Visit our website for more information and make the right choice for your business today.